What? Yeah.
Yo, you ever meet a girl, right? You know what I'm saying? You meet her, seems like you get it, everything might seem cool, but it be like a little small stuff that you think is gonna be issues and problems, and you still wanna go with it. Well, I got something to say. I got a little story to tell. And I'm gonna show you something like this. Check this video out. This is your boy right here talking about what I'm talking about. Peace.
Good, Mom. B.I.G. Bishop. What you gonna do to stop my leg? I'm hot with a drop top box, nigga, stop sign red. Use a fool to try to stop my bread. I'm in it for the spinach, goddamn man. Popeye's dead, I know an old head that's locked. Got knocked by feds, he had the whole spot locked. Yo, the block was his, no prints on the map, but the Glock was his. He had the best shot of town for real, but the cops was there. Now he's sitting up top for years. One mistake could bring your block to tears. Word, that's why the niggas stay holding my grip. I drink a little spitballs while I'm blowing the piff. Chuck.
Top 4 statistics, I leak couldn't fuck with it if his hands suspicious. I come through and slam the bitches. Hold on, I'm a different artist. Since kindergarten, I've been retarded.
Hold on for 1 second.
Hitting targets, excuse me and pardon me. Obviously, my hobbies be a little bit of robberies and aiming at your arteries. Word to my grandmama's mama be. Word to my grandfather's daughter. Fuck this harmony, I slaughter beats. I'm numero uno. I don't even know if you know. I've been like this since yo, cause you know what's a sumo. I'm blue. Music I put you inside of my new. My motherfucking medulla is usually simply brutal. Okay, curse. Okay. SG is in the building. P. Hayes is in the building. This is the bounce. It's easy to pronounce. Bitch. Let's get it right. Okay. I ain't a vaunt, so enough for the mind reading. My punchlines will hit your head so hard, I might have your mind bleeding. But now you in the hospital, you sick with IVs. Cause all I do is take headshots like pitch IDs. Move over cause this dog takes spots. You're walking around like Frankfurters, forgetting that your dogs ain't hot. I treat them like a plate of food, I stick a fork in them. I ain't Muslim, but I'll still eat them, even if it's pork in them. I gotta refresh your memory, y'all. I'm only rapping to save the game, I'm feeling like a memory card. It ain't a track unless I'm rapping on it. Cause when I rhyme, I rag bars. Yeah, I'm something like an alcoholic. I dare any nigga to play me. Hang this nigga halfway out the window like this nigga's in AC. Bring him to the cemetery, show this nigga what graves me. Get mashed like potatoes, but thinking it's gravy. But niggas think they sick when they write. So I treat them like Bruce Lee's death. I get a kick out of life. I'm sick when I spit. It feels like an aching tooth. You only catch me fucking up when I scrape on the roof. When I rhyme, dog, I'm too blessed. My punchlines are hit your mind harder than an IQ test. Dog, these little kids ain't shit. My money's what I spit gang with. I'm feeling like I'm Rick James, bitch. Get him, Hayes.
So fuck you think you fucking with? I'm the police. I run shit here. You just live here. Yeah, that's right. You better walk away. Go on, walk away, cause I'ma burn this motherfucker down.
Down. Chuck, go. P. Yeah. Hey. Oh. That's good money, baby. Listen. Oops, my bad. Catch me in my back bends. Pop the Dutches, then I hop back in. Yeah, I pop the clutch in, put the contact in, and then I pop the trunk in, put the top back in. I remember far back when a nigga was hugging the block, tucking the Glock and carjacking. But since the dudes start rapping, I stopped slapping niggas cause my lines punch like Bernard Hopkins. I got much loot, just look at my duck boots. While your ass still frontin' with your off black Timbs. Mine is a V, so the diamonds is lethal. My nigga just put out the garage in a shiny vehicle. I might throw some signs on the side to pinch you, but if you get out of line, it's time to eat you. Blah. Y'all know what I'm reppin', cock back, holding the tech and the throwback right over my chest, man.